Respected sir and all my dear friends, a nice evening to all of you. I'm Varsha Rathour from Shahjahanpur. I'm very delighted to be here. I would like to say thanks my sir who has given me a nice chance to discuss about my topic education. Education plays a very important role in our life. It improves our knowledge, skills, develop the personality and attitude. It brings a great change in our life. It prepares us to face the world. It makes our life prosperous and meaningful. It it is said that education is the third eye of human beings. Education teaches to be polite. When you are educated, you know when to speak. And education is that property that cannot be stolen. We can take this property wherever we go. It is a light in the darkness. It is certainly is a hope for a good life. Education is the only thing that have no disadvantage. While getting education, you lose nothing. Education is the key of success, and education ring happiness in our life. And the first school of any person in his family, and mother is said to be the first guru. And with the help of education we can't achieve any work in our life. With the help of education uh, we can't face any difficulties. And with the help of education we can't achieve any good profession. And education is very useful in our life. Education is very useful in our life. Education, an educated person is always respected everywhere. An uneducated person treat like an animal, and people treat well him in the society.